Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. I know, it's been a long time since naglagay tayo ng entry or episode for our recipe. I think the last time we were in Fisher Mall, tapos nagkasakit ako and everything. I'm still paos, so still not fully recovered, but I'm trying to put an entry. But for today, I practically just entered the house. Literally. So, medyo under the sun. Medyo pawis-pawis ng konti, but okay lang. So, I have to rush and create a quick lunch, no? Pangtanghalian namin. So, dahil nga ang init-init, you're trying to get all of these nutrients, kaya I wanted to make just vegetables. So, I'm just gonna make Chinese polonchai kasi may nabili ako with just garlic and some oyster sauce. So, very, very quick recipe. So, hindi ko okay. Hopefully, meron kayong wok. But kung wala, okay lang. So, I'm just gonna use normal vegetable oil. So, we're gonna wait for that to heat. And then, while I'm waiting for that to heat, I'm not sure if it's always available, but there's this Bikamki na vegetarian oyster sauce. Pero kung wala naman, okay lang. I just think it's mas parang subtle yung taste niya. So, be careful kung ano yung brand ng oyster sauce na ginagamit ninyo. Kasi iba-iba yung saltiness level. So, I just mix it with some water lang. And then this one, may nagbigay lang sa akin. Ano ba to? XO. Pero you don't have to use it. Kunyari, wala kayong XO. Di ko alam kung Tagalog siya. Yung tinatawag kalkag ba yun? Yung kalkag, hinahalo sa rice. So, here, I'm just gonna make it mag-garlic. So, it's gonna be a very, very quick recipe. And then, just a polonchai. So, I'll just wait for our garlic to be a bit golden. Parang gusto ko lang kumain ng gulay para lang healthy. And of course, the greener the vegetables, healthier it is. Ang dami-dami niya, pero, you know, later on, ang konti lang niya. So, I'm just gonna put some white pepper. But of course, feel free if you want. Yan. So, I know, matagal-tagal kaming hindi nag-vlog, and I owe so many recipes. We will do that. Kulang lang talaga ng time. With this one, I'm trying to stir-fry it really quick para hindi siya masyado mag-wilt. And when we bite into it, it still has a little bit of crunch, no? So, paparisan ko to ng inihaw na tuna sa panga. Tsaka fried chicken lang. Ang konti, para quick lang. There you go. So, now it's starting to wilt. I'm just gonna add a little bit of yan. The oyster sauce na may konting water para hindi naman ganun ka-alat. So, it's gonna be very, very quick. Actually, alam nyo, kung wala kayong polonchai, I actually tried this recipe. I used iceberg lettuce. Actually, ang sarap niya. Kanina tinan niya, ang dami-dami. O, diba? Ngayon, napaka-konti. We're just getting ready to eat. It's such a quick and easy recipe. O, diba? Almost done. So, see, ang bilis, diba? As in, 5-minute quick recipe. Pero kunyari, tinatamad kayo, you know, like you want, wala ng ulam, you can even start sauteing chicken with it. So, ilagyan ko yung oyster sauce, ilagyan ko lang ng konting water. Kasi nga, I don't want it to be super salty. There you go. Okay. Tapos, optional, if you wanna put sesame oil, para lang may konting Chinese sea, feel free to do so. Which I will do. Okay. The only reason bakit ko siya gustong ma-sauce is because ang kapares niya today is tuna panga. So, it's a little bit dry, yung fish. So, meaning it's dry food, I call it. So, gusto ko nang may masasa lang. Ganun lang, simple. Very quick and easy. Polonchai, stir-fry in oyster sauce. At kung walang polonchai, pwede naman gamitin ninyo kangkong or iceberg lettuce. Ang sarap niya kasi may extra crunch. So again, sorry, ang tagal-tagal namin hindi nag-vlog. But I will try to make an entry every single week. But here's a start, no? And let's start healthy. Polonchai with oyster sauce. See you soon here at Kusina ni Mrs. O.
Okay, I just exercised and I'm eating this healthy green veggies. Let's see how it tastes. Goes well with rice. Very good meal.